Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Peppermint Mocha Squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start at the top and let's draw a curved line across. Then let's curve it down on both sides. And another curve across the bottom. Now from the bottom corners, let's draw another small curve down and out. And then starting from the left side, let's draw a wavy line across, stopping here. Now to finish off the right here, let's draw a long curve down and bring it back up to the side. Now for the next section, from the sides, let's draw a longer curve down. Now we're going to draw the piece of fur going across. Let's start by drawing a bumpy line all the way across. Then a bumpy line down on both sides. And the same thing across the bottom. Now let's move back to the sides and let's draw another curved line down and in on both sides. And then a curved line to connect them at the bottom. Now that we've finished the shape of the body, let's move in and draw the face. In the top section, let's draw a curve in the middle for the mouth. And then add the eyes with a circle on both sides. And then color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's draw the whipped cream and decorations on top. Let's start on the top and let's draw a curve up and in on both sides. And then connect it with a wavy line. Now let's move up and draw the decorations on top, starting with the candy cane on the right. Let's draw an angled line up and then curve it down. And let's do the same thing underneath. And then close off the end with a curve. Now let's add some striped lines inside. And that's it for the candy cane. Now let's hop over on the left side and draw a Christmas tree. Let's start with 2 angles up and in on the left. Then let's bring it out and angle it back in. And the same on the right. Now let's do the same thing again, coming to a point at the top. Now inside the tree, let's draw a bunch of small circles for the ornaments. And lastly, let's add a star on top. Let's draw a curved point on both sides. Another set going up and out. And one more on top. And that's it for the decorations. Now let's continue drawing the layers of whipped cream. Let's start on the bottom left of the tree and let's draw a curve up. Then a wavy line across to the candy cane. And then continue it by curving it down on the right. Now for the top layer, let's start on top of the tree and let's draw an S-shaped curve up and over. Then let's curve it around and back down. Now let's add some decorations inside each of the layers. Let's start inside the bottom layer and let's draw a curve on the left. Then leave a gap and let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's add a curve underneath each of these. And now let's add some small circles. Now let's hop up to the middle layer and let's do the same thing. And then add the small circles. And again, the same thing on the top layer. And that's it for this Peppermint Mocha Squishmallow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!